Hi everyone, I'm having issue with my Z, and I'll show you what exactly is happening. It's been misfiring, and I'll tell you the whole prehistory to the problem. Now I'll show you how it goes, and you tell me what you think, guys. I really appreciate any help, and really that's cause really getting annoying now. It sounds like stupid Subaru. Right, here you go. So there's no lights on the dash, right? And as soon as I start the engine, you will see how it will just, those two lights will pop up here. Just bear with me a second. There you go. There you go. So the management light is on, and you'll see now the other two lights just popped up, and it runs like that, and it's extremely annoying. There is no power, and it's really shaky. Obviously it's a misfire in one of the cylinders. Now this whole problem has a bit of a history. Last year, while I was driving, all of a sudden the car will just, a cylinder will go, you'll cut the cylinder and it'll start misfiring, and the lights will pop on while I'm driving, and it was very temperamental. After some experiments, I worked out that if I pull over and turn it off for like 10 seconds and start the engine on, it will fix the issue. But now this is not the case at the moment, because then the car was parked for 6 months after that, and I was waiting for MOT, a new exhaust to be fitted. So after the new exhaust was fitted and the MOT was done to it, it's the problem is now constant, and resetting the ECU or turning it on and off as before does not help. It's always working on like 5 cylinders, I guess. Couple of times it started on 6, but then 10 seconds later still go straight away onto 5, and the lights are popping out. Really annoying, really frustrating. I'm not sure. I've read so much on the net about this problem. There's so many, different suggestions, like the so-called the random misfire. Is it a coil? Is it the valve? There is this vacuum valve, or something else. Please, if you have experienced this in the past, please comment in the box below, because I really would like to fix this, because now we're under lockdown, so I have all the time in the world to order parts I need and do it. Beside that, there is no other issues, but as I said, this is extremely annoying. You can hear how it sounds like a Subaru, and it's not fun at all. I can feel it when I'm driving it. Thank you very much, and really appreciate your help. Have a great day, guys. Bye.